Hi, I'm Stacy Menezes. My master's in industrial and organizational psychology proved to be an impetus to my realization of the importance of valuing people as an asset to an organization. GIM provided the best fit for me to pursue my research in the field of human resources and organizational behavior. The flexible and customizable course structure, access to the state-of-the-art research culture and infrastructure helped me in my decision. GIM offers very personalized mentorship with knowledgeable faculty who have like-minded research interests. Not only that, there is also a very holistic learning culture as well as exposure to cutting-edge and recent research and a very hands-on experience with the analytical tools and research methods. Along with the location, the constant interaction and networking with diverse peers from different backgrounds helps me to do creative and impactful cross-functional research.